Hi, my name is Rajiv, and I am always a bit nervous when I start recording my voice. But anyway, I'm going to continue right now. I want to make a very short video about these two images that I shot in Rajasthan, in Jaisalmer, many years ago. I used my old Canon point and shoot camera. The camera died about 10 years ago, or maybe 15 years ago. And when I scanned the images using my Epson V900 scanner, the color in the sky turned a strange violet blue. And that, of course, is quite unnatural. It's not what the sky looks like. And when I decided to use that image in this post, I also chose to experiment with the Photoshop neural filters. And I'm taking you now to the third slide on this little presentation, on this little video. And you'll see the two images side by side. On the left, you'll see the image before I put it through the neural filter. And on the right side, you will see the image after I put it through the Photoshop neural filter. And it was just one click. I just clicked it and I asked Photoshop to restore the image, and voila, the sky became a nice natural blue. There are a few other controls on this neural filter, but I will do another video about that later. You have to be a little bit careful when you are using these filters, because if you want to make the image seemingly perfect, you also make it look artificial. So there's always a give and take, a plus and minus, always something which you have to give up to get back. And just a short video, and I hope you've enjoyed the post. Once again, Rajiv Chopra, still feeling nervous about recording his voice. That's me. Bye.